So how does the 1031 exchange work in Oregon? Well, hi, I'm Al Cronemiller, and I'm from Moore Realty here in Salem, Oregon. You can sell Oregon real estate and pay zero capital gain tax legally. Okay, so permanently deferred. So most Oregon property owners have no idea this is available. Okay, I provide full turnkey 1031 exchange support for Oregon clients. You know, you can call or text me at 503-949-5025. I always answer. So here is the core concept. A 1031 exchange lets you sell one investment property and reinvest the proceeds into a qualifying replacement property. So if done correctly, all capital gains taxes are deferred. You know, federally that could be 20%, Oregon state could be up to 9.9%. So combined, you have nearly 30% of your gain is preserved. So like-kind exchange, it's broader than you think. Like-kind does not mean same type. You can sell Oregon bare farmland and buy a Salem rental home. You know, you can sell timberland and buy a commercial building. You know, the investment purpose is what matters. So the two deadlines, 45 days from closing to identify replacement property in writing, no extensions, no exceptions, and I negotiate needed time with buyers and sellers so we stay away from that clock ticking and not get rushed. So absolute 100 days from closing to the close of your replacement property. So you miss either deadline and the exchange collapse. The full property tax is owed immediately. So the qualified intermediary, the 1031 facilitator, must be in place before you close your sale. If proceeds touch your personal account, you're permanently disqualified. So, you know, call me before you list any Oregon property. I can explain the steps to a successful exchange. You know, call or text me, 503-949-5025. I always answer. Thanks for tuning in.